Hello everyone, my name is Ayush. I am a dog behaviorist. So today we are creating this video because there is a issue or a problem which is increasing of stray dog bites in the country. It can be any part of the country, but the stray dogs are biting. So what is the reason for this and what can be done to prevent this and help our stray animals as well? तो फर्स्टली हम लोग जब छोटे बच्चे को सिखाते हैं कि जब भी कोई स्ट्रे डॉग आता है या कोई भी कुत्ता आता है उसको पत्थर मारो. फर्स्ट दिस मेंटालिटी हैज़ टू स्टॉप कि उसको क्यों मारना है, वो कुछ नहीं कर रहा है तो उसको ट्रिगर. सो स्ट्रे डॉग्स जनरली क्यों बाइट करता है, उसको कुछ ना कुछ होता है कि एनी पास्ट एक्सपीरियंस हो सकता है, किसी ने उस पर गाड़ी चला दी हो या उसने अपने सिबलिंग्स को देख लिया हो गाड़ी के नीचे आते हुए. There are certain triggers to why stray dogs react in certain way. So firstly what I appeal to everyone is tolerance. वो क्यों बाइट कर रहे हैं वो पहले समझो. Okay. Second reason, stray dogs 90% of time क्यों बाइट करते हैं, it's always in a motion. जब भी कोई आप कार से जा रहे हो, जब भी कोई दौड़ रहा है, जब भी बच्चे खेल रहे हो, जब भी कोई गाड़ी वाला पास हो रहा है, it's all the motions. So dogs react to motion, that is in their instinct. So this is the second reason why stray dogs bite. It's the behavior instinct. And third is during the mating season. So let's say from from August to October there is a mating season in dogs. During this the male dogs जो कुत्ते हैं वो ज़्यादा marking करते हैं territory का. So they stay around the area more. And the females they are comparatively very aggressive, either due to the mating season thing or they are protecting their babies. द मोस्ट सेफेस्ट मेथड, कोई किसी को आपको डॉग को मिलना है या आपको डॉग सपोज अच्छे नहीं लगते हो और आपको सिर्फ पास होना है वो एरिया से जहाँ पे डॉग्स है, द बेस्ट एडवाइस विच आई गिव और विच आई फॉलो while मीटिंग डॉग्स और while मीटिंग एग्रेसिव डॉग्स और while मीटिंग एनी स्ट्रे डॉग्स इज अवॉइड टच, अवॉइड आई कॉन्टैक्ट एंड स्टे काम. You can just pass calmly and if you feel कि डॉग एग्रेसिव हो रहा है और या वो आके आपको एग्रेसिवली भागेगा आपके सामने, आप एक चीज़ कर सकते हो, आप सिर्फ कामली खड़े रह सकते हो. डोंट रिएक्ट, उसको कुछ बोलने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. और आपको लगता है कि वो और थोड़ा पास में आ जाएगा, यू कैन लुक बिग एंड जस्ट शाउट. इट कैन बी अ नो, इट कैन बी यू कैन यूज अ टूल अगर आपके पास कुछ है, बट अवॉइड मोशन. बहुत सारे छोटे बच्चे क्या करते हैं, आई टेल इन आवर स्कूल छोटे बच्चों को भी वी एजुकेट मेनी किड्स, और जिसको भी मैं मिलता हूँ छोटे बच्चे डर के भागते हैं. कोई भी डॉग भौंकता है वो लोग भाग जाते हैं. इससे क्या होता है, देयर इज अ मोशन एंड डॉग बाइट्स मैक्सिमम व्हेन देयर इज अ ट्रिगर, व्हेनेवर कोई भागता है तभी होता है. सो बेस्ट थिंग इज डोंट मूव. एंड कुछ भी आजू बाजू है यू कैन जस्ट यूज दैट टूल. कोई स्टिक है, पत्थर फेंको नहीं. Take a stone and just do acting that will help you from a certain dog bites. Okay, and call for help. अगर कोई है आजू बाजू किसी को बुलाओ, तुरंत कोई आ जाएगा हेल्प करने के लिए. So अगर आपको अपने बच्चों को डॉग्स के साथ मिलवाना है या if you want to introduce dogs to small children, always start with certain pet dogs which are safe. So it can be a dog cafe, it can be any places where there are safe dogs which are calm dogs. You can start because your kids will get used to the behavior and what the dog moves, and safely that confidence builds up because certain dogs react to certain energies. So that will help to give confidence to your children. And secondly, you can take them to as many dogs and make them see certain documentaries or certain you are meeting the dogs, so they will learn from that way rather than directly meeting larger breeds or stray animals. There are 2-3 things, dog bite precautions and dog bite treatment. So let's say आपको कोई dog ने काट लिया है और you are being attacked by a stray dog. What I advise is don't panic, stay calm, protect your injuries दूसरे organs में ना हो, make sure you don't get injuries. Secondly, call for help. You can, I don't teach this or I don't encourage this, but you can punch the dog's nose if the bite is very aggressive. Third, you can call anyone, or you see anything around, you can just use it as a tool to move the dog away. After the dog bite, if there is bleeding or anything, if it's just a scratch also, please consult a vet first or a doctor first, and you can start the treatment itself. Because rabies is one of the very dangerous things which over the years there is a fantastic cure, but we tend to take it lightly. So after dog bite, just visit the nearby hospital. For professionals or trainers, they can take a pre-shot as prescribed by the vet or the doctor. And if you have a stray dog, let's say, or if you have a pet dog at your place, you can take a pre-shot. So most likely during playtime, or during, if the dog is showing aggression towards the owner itself, you will need a tetanus shot. So the best advice is go to a doctor as soon as you get a bite, or if as a safety you can follow many pre-treatments which are already available. So for a country like India, what issues with stray dogs? There are many people complain that there are stray dog bites, the population is going very high. So one solution which I feel is sterilization of stray animals is very important, and it is very safe for both the dogs as well as the residents of the society. Sterilization is just a process where it stops the animal to breed further. So the population comes under control. There are certain behavioral aspects to that, like I train dogs, pet dogs. Sterilization helps in many things. Thirdly, there should be certain shelters where we can keep weak animals, like stray animals. The government is doing fantastic with the ambulance part and the treatment part, but we need certain shelters where stray dogs or stray animals are kept. So particularly in India, there are two laws. Number one is the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Law Act, which is the 1960 thing. What the act says is it's illegal to either relocate an animal from the area where it's staying. Secondly, it's not legal to hit an animal or to make him do certain things with force. So this is the law, and it comes into cruelty section. So if you don't like animals, my only appeal is, if you don't like animals, it's okay. If you don't like dogs in your society, it's okay. But coming under cruelty will land you in certain legal trouble, as well as it's not good for the other dogs as well as for the society. अपने बच्चों को you are giving a wrong message. I always say this. So the kids are not learning the right things. So prevent yourself from doing any such acts which may affect the animals as well as the entire other residents. Legally, there is a very small amounts of punishment. I don't want to go in the details because that's the legal part. But which cases I have seen or which I have heard is the victim gets away most of the times with minimal punishments. But at the end of it, it's the animal who suffers always. So laws and everything is for the humans, but the animals are suffering for no reasons. So why to get into cruelty in the first place? That's a major concern for me. Stray dogs are one of my favorite species and dog breeds. I'll tell you very honestly, stray dogs for me are the protectors of our societies, protectors of our cities. They do certain works which we don't see, and the credit doesn't go to them. Like if they protect your houses, they protect you from, let's say there are many snakes around. Stray dogs protect certain vehicles coming to your society, and they are very important for the food chain. So I really encourage people to, number one, take care of stray dogs, even if you hate them, but don't harm them. And secondly, you can even encourage more and more people to know about stray dogs and how beautiful species they are. So this is how I want to conclude. Last thing I want to tell you is dogs don't complain. The only way forward for us human is to coexist with this beautiful species and do our duties nicely. Thank you.